Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials, an API key and access. First, sign into the bot signal dashboard and link your target channel or feed. This gives live data. Once linked, enable the browser extension or client and choose a default sensitivity. This balances false positives versus misses. Make sure to grant permission for message reads so patterns are visible. Start the live preview to confirm event stream. If you see no traffic, recheck API credentials and connection status. Now refine how the system decides. Adjust thresholds for message rate, account age, link ratio, and repeated phrases because rigid rules miss nuance. Once done, layer signature checks, user agent, header inconsistencies, and token anomalies to catch disguised bots. Make sure to enable contextual scoring so actions weigh together rather than trigger on a single flag. Also add trusted accounts to your whitelist to avoid false positives. Monitor the scoring dashboard and iterate sensitivity. Complete the setup by assigning responses. Flag low-score accounts, quarantine high-confidence bots, and notify moderators for review, because automation reduces load but human oversight prevents mistakes. Then verify by running controlled tests using known bot and human samples to confirm detection accuracy. If detections are off, check detailed logs for false triggers, lower sensitivity slightly, and review your whitelist and rules for unintended matches. One troubleshooting tip: correlate timestamps and IP patterns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.